Hi, friends, my little seeds. I'm Miss Miriam, and welcome to Little Melodies Learning. And today we are going to learn about the letter F. Can you say F? Great job. F says, can you say with me? Great job. What starts with the letter F? Do you know? What about fan? Fan starts with the letter F. Let's turn on my fan. Ooh, fans keep us cool when we are hot. Do you hear the fan? Wow, and this is a really little fan. Wow, ooh, it's kind of hot in here. Wow, fan. What about, a fire truck? Starts with the letter F. Can you say fire truck? Wow, what color is this fire truck? Red. Great job. This fire truck is red. Fire trucks help us put out fires. Wow. Do you know what sound fire trucks make? Wow. Have another one. A farmer starts with the letter F, and he has a letter F on his overalls. Wow, a farmer starts with the letter F. Do you know what farmers do? Let me tell you. So farmers work on a farm. They help grow all the vegetables and different things on a farm. They care for the farm. Wow. So this is a farmer that starts with the letter F. Can you say nice job? Let's see, last one. What else starts with the letter F? I think I have one more. The letter F starts with the letter F. Wow. All right, are you guys ready to go on an adventure with me? Now we're going to go on an adventure and learn about the letter F. Let's count to 3 and we'll go on an adventure. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, we're in the water. Do you see all these fish? Wow. Fish starts with the letter F. Can you say fish with me? Great job. Wow, I think we need to count the fish that we see. Are you ready to count? Yes? Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish. We see 5 fish in the water. Have you seen fish in the water before? Yes? I like fish. Fish are fun. Oh, there's another thing that starts with the letter F. Fun. We are going to have so much fun today. Can we find in the water? What about sea turtles? Sea turtles can live in water. Or clams? What about seahorses? Seahorses live in water. Or sharks? Whoa, sharks. A starfish. Starfish live in water. Can you make a starfish shape? Whoa. Let's put your hands up like this and then open your legs like this. We're starfish. What else lives in the water? My favorite, crabs. Do you like crabs? Crabs live in the water. And dolphins. Let's swim like dolphins. Put your hands like this. You ready? One more time. Nice job. Dolphins are so beautiful. They're beautiful sea creatures. Let's swim like fish. Woo. Wow, we're swimming like fish. Wow. Let's clap our hands and go to the next adventure. Are you ready? Yes? Let's clap. Whoa. Whoa. We're in a pond, like a swamp. Can you tell me what lives in a swamp or what we could find? What can we find in a swamp? I know, a frog. Do you see the frog? Wow, frogs can live in swamps. Let's hop like frogs. Do you think you can hop like a frog? Let's see. I'm gonna go like this. Let's hop like frogs. Wow, what color are frogs? Do you know? Frogs are the color green. They can be brown. Frogs live in swamps or a pond. What else can we find in a pond? Do you know? Oh, I know. What about an alligator? Alligators can live in swamps. Whoa, alligator. Let's sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Are you ready to sing with me? Yes? Let's start. Row, row, row your boat. You do it with me? Row, row, row your boat through the swamp so green. If you see a funny frog, jump like him and ribbit, ribbit. F, F, F says floating down the stream. Frogs and fish and fireflies, the funniest we've seen. Wow. Let's sing it one more time. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If we see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Let's clap our hands and go somewhere new. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Do you see the fire? Fire starts with the letter F. Can you say fire? Great job. Fire starts with the letter F. F says, can you do that with me? Nice job. Wow, fires are hot. So you need to make sure that you are with an adult. And remember, don't touch a fire or don't go near a fire, okay? Let's warm our hands up. Let's warm our hands up. We're outside and it's kind of cold, but we have our fire that's going to keep us warm. we bring if we're going camping? I know. What about a sleeping bag? Sleeping bag is going to keep us warm at night. And what about a lamp? A lamp is going to help us make sure we can see in the tent. We can bring a tent. Can you say tent? Great job. What else can we bring if we're going camping? We have our sleeping bag. We have our light. We can bring water. We can bring our water bottles. So if we get thirsty, water bottles. And some food. So we can pack food and snacks in case we're hungry, because we may get hungry. Let's count to 3 and go to a new adventure. Are you ready? Let's count 1, 2, 3. Whoa! We're at a farm. Can you say farm? Great job. Farm starts with the letter F. Farm. Wow. Remember, a farmer works on a farm. Wow. What can we find if we're on a farm? Do you know? What about hay? We may see hay on a farm. Wow. Oh, and a barn where maybe some horses and other animals may stay in a barn. Can you say barn? Great job. What about pigs? Do you think we'll see a pig? Do you think we'll see a pig at a farm? Yes. And horses. Horses we'll see at a farm. Have you rode a horse before? Yes. I haven't ridden a horse before. Wow. Maybe one day I'll get to ride a horse. What else could we see at a farm? Apples. We may see an apple tree that has apples. Wow, do you see this apple tree? Let's count the apples on the tree. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples. Wow, apples are so yummy. Do you like apples? Yes, me too. Let's count what we see at the farm. Are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Now let's sing a song about F. Are you ready? Yes. It goes like this. F is for fish, swim, swim, swim. F is for frog, jump, jump, jump. F is for fire, warm and bright. F is so fun, we learned it right. Great job. Let's sing it again. F is for fish, swim, swim, swim. F is for frog, jump, jump, jump. F is for fire, warm and bright. F is so fun, we learned it right. Wow, friends, that sounded amazing. Great job today learning the letter F. Give yourself a hand clap. Wow, friends, you're so smart and so bright. I'm so proud of you. Now it's time to sing our goodbye song. Are you ready? Let's sing it together. It's time to say goodbye, friends. Yes, it's time to say goodbye, friends. We learned and played today, and we had so much fun. It's time to say goodbye, friends. Bye, friends. I'll see you again next time.